Shame on you, Shaji. The vigilance is tightening its grip over Kerala Muslim League MLA KM Shaji's political neck. They have the backing of the Vigilance Court. The court had in November last directed the department to probe into the disproportionate assets of the league leader. The Vigilance had conducted a preliminary inquiry into the assets of the league veteran. No wonder the department had early this week registered a case against Shaji. The officials also conducted hours-long raid in his two houses in Kannur and Kozhikode. Reports also said the officials had recovered liquid cash of about 50 lakhs and gold to the tune of 60 sovereigns. Some unconfirmed reports said the cash was reversed from the septic tank. The vigilance judge was on leave on last day and hence postponed the hearing of the case. But it appears that the legal grip over the league leader is being tightened by the vigilance and anti-corruption wing of the Kerala State Police. Though Shaji claimed he would produce proof of the cash in 24 hours, he failed to act. The league leadership is strongly protecting their firebrand Shaji. League leader P.K. Kunjalikoti, even though not in good terms with Shaji, termed the case as a politically motivated one. The Azhikode MLA has contested from the same constituency this time. Indications suggest that he is likely to win this election also. But the vigilance case will hang over his head as a Damocles sword. The Enforcement Directorate ED has also registered a case against Shaji. The ED is likely to go deeper into the issue sooner than later. The trouble for Shaji began with the Kannur Block Panchayat President Padmanabhan lodging a complaint with the vigilance. It alleged that Shaji had accepted 25 lakhs as bribe for sanctioning +2 courses in a school in his constituency in 2014. Advocate K.M. Harish had filed his petition before the Enquiry Commissioner and Special Judge. The court allowed the petition and gave direction to the vigilance to investigate. Vigilance sources say Shaji has not been able to produce a source for constructing two palatial houses. Now, the incriminating evidence unearthed by the corpse is likely to give more trouble to Shaji. He also has other land properties in Wayanad, Kannur and Kozhikode, but has not been able to produce enough proof of income source to own these assets. The league leader has always been a troublemaker for the LDF, the CPIM in particular. He has been hard-hitting on the Chief Minister in recent controversial cases. But the assets disproportionate to his known income will boomerang on the stalwart leader of the league. A preliminary finding by the vigilance said he had amassed wealth disproportionate to a margin of 166%. Now the officials have seized cash and gold worth over 1 crore. It appears these findings might become legal nails in the political coffin of the league leader. But things may take a U-turn once the UDF comes to power post counting of votes on May 2nd. But damage to his credentials has already been done. Shame on you, Shaji.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.